Hi, it's Stu from StuTech with yet another tech tip of the day. Now, I don't know what I'm going to talk about today. Well, actually, I do because I plan these out, but I'm not going to tell you. So let's see what we got going on today. Hi, everyone. Today's tech tip is about stopping that autofill embarrassment. You ever have the autofill fill in something wrong? Okay. Autofill's cool. It remembers your information, but sometimes it remembers the wrong information. So it's really easy to clear out the addresses or saved credit cards from your browser setting. It's like a digital spring cleaning that keeps your information safe and sound. So take a minute, clear out your autofill. If you have questions about it, give us a call. I'm Stu from StuTech. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. And there you have it, another StuTech Tech Tip of the day. Now, I would hope that you pass these on, but always remember, if you have a tech problem, call us, not your kids.